Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Marino local and long-distance movers near me. We make sure your long-distance move happens on schedule with no stress. Regardless of how far you need to move, our professional crew of movers will make it so much simpler. By having the best moving services to help you, any kind of move, small or large, becomes so much easier. If you're looking for a general move or a full-service move, we offer all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you need to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the cost can seem challenging. A local moving company provides many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. Any trustworthy moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. It will also prevent you from needing to handle heavy lifting. Our team of qualified movers will definitely ensure your move is quite efficient. When moving with a local company, such as 3 Movers, you get a structured solution for moving day. Even if your move is large enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Marino moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.